You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. In my immediate past video, this very one, CPI data and what next, I talked to you about the FOMC meeting yesterday, and that immediately after that meeting, we're going to see the market come back down a little bit and market going to move to the upside. That is exactly the same thing we are seeing right now. Market is moving down into this level of $25,000 and $24,000. This is what I'm expecting. If you watch this video, you will see that out. And on ETH, you see the market is at this very area that I talked about as well. And on Matic is going as predicted at this very area of important resistance. I said market is going to come back down into this level of support, and that is what we're seeing right now. If you watch this video, you will see that out. What are we expecting right now on Bitcoin, ETH, and Matic? Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. On the one-day chart, BTC USDT, the market is trading at $25,000, and what I am still expecting is the market retrace from this area where the market is right now in this very area of $24,000. This is where I am expecting retracement to come into the market. That means I am not expecting the market to go below this very level of $24,000 on the charts. We should expect the market to retrace back to the upside before continuation. And one very important thing you need to note on this very chart is the area of resistance. This very area of resistance is very important, because if the market is moving to the upside, we must have to look for area of possible resistance. When market begin to move to the upside from this area, we will see this very resistance. Reason why is that the market resists at this very point. We have resistance here, and we have resistance at this area. So when market is coming back to the upside, we'll find resistance at this very area as well. That will make the market to come back down a little bit before continuation to the upside. That means a breakout here on this level of resistance will further make the market to move. And you can argue that the MACD is already forming on the negative side. And right now, we've not seen any reduced momentum, because if you look at the MACD histogram right at this area, there is a little bit of increased momentum to the downside and a little dilation between the MACD line and the signal line at this very area. That is very fine, but this very gap will close very soon, because this is my own directional bias. This is what I am expecting. The market should not go down below this very area of $24,000. And a good retracement should come into the market before continuation to the downside. And the reason is because if you look at this very chart, you see the market has been moving from this very area to the downside before correction, and the market move again from this very area to the downside before correction. And then if you look at this length, market has moved all the way from here up to this very point. So if market move here, this will be one of the longest move at this very point compared to all these. So markets have to retrace before continuation to the downside. Okay, so this is what I am expecting. You may be looking at another thing that is very different based on your price action perspective. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, this market dropped right down. I told you to pay attention to breakout on this very level of important support level. Market breaks out, and right now at this very area, I am expecting retracement from this very level of $24,700 to this very area. There should be retracement to the upside before continuation back down into this level of $24,000. Then this area should give us a final move to the upside. Okay, and if we see a breakout, that means if market breaks out of this very level of important support, which will turn resistance at this very area, that means the market will further move up again to this very level of resistance. This is what you need to pay attention to, because it's very, very important. Now, one thing very important as well on this chart that you need to pay attention to is that if the market continues from here up to this very level of resistance, that means if we have something like this, market move all the way from here up to this point of resistance, your next expectation should be retracement before continuation to the upside. So I am giving you two scenarios right now that you need to pay attention to. This is the first one that you need to pay attention to, or you look out for the second scenario where the market should retrace they come back down to $24,000. Then from here, which you see the market begin to move to the upside. These are the two things you need to pay attention to right now. But this retracement right here must come into the market for continuation to the downside on the 4-hour chart, BTC, USDT, and on ETH. If you remember vividly, I was talking about this very level of important support, and then the market breaks out. You see it right here, and then market is coming back down into this area. And I talked about the fact that we need to consider this very level of support in the exact same point where the market is right now. What I am expecting, just like the case of BTC, is right at this very area, the market should at this very point turn and begin to move back to the upside. That is, from here, market should retrace to this very level before continuation. And if we see a breakout on this level of important resistance in the future, which is support at this very area, then the market should move up to this very point of resistance as well. So this is what I am expecting right now on the ETH 1-day charts, and on the 4-hour chart ETH as well. The same thing on BTC is what I'm expecting right here. There should be a retracement from this very level of $1,620 up to this very area where the market is right now. Market should retrace to the upside before continuation back down. And if we see a breakout here, that means the market is going to go into this very level of important resistance. This area is very, very important, and if the market moves from here up to this very point of resistance, there should be a retracement before continuation again to the upside. So these are the two scenarios as well that you need to pay attention to on ETH. And on Matic, I told you that market is going to come back down after the federal fund rate and the FOMC meeting yesterday. And exact same thing, if you watch this video, you will see that very analysis, and that is what we are seeing right here on the chart. Market is coming back down. I am expecting this market to drop into this very level of important support. That means if you do not take a short position from here to the downside, this is not the right time to take any short position anymore, because the market will definitely retrace between this area and where the market is right now, which we expect retracement to the upside, and a breakout here is going to send the market back up. So this is what I'm expecting on Matic, ETH 4-hour chart, ETH 1-day chart, BTC 4-hour chart, and 1-day chart. What do you think on BTC chart right now? Do you think the market is going to still drop right into this very area of $20,000, or is going to follow this analysis, is going to turn at this very point where the market is right now in this very area of $24,000 to the upside in form of a correction, because that's what we've been seeing right here, little correction before market continuation, or we're going to see a breakout here and market will begin to move to the upside? Comment below in the comment section of this video. And if you want to learn how to do simple technical analysis, check the description to see a contact, reach out to me immediately. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.